Hi, Remco. Thanks a lot for having this short video testimonial with us. We are working for some time together, and maybe, you could introduce yourself and your business.
Sure thing. Thanks for having me, Jacob. So my name is Remco Rehberg. I am one of the managing directors and owners of Proforg Global Mobility. We are a leading relocation and immigration service provider in Germany, helping corporate clients and their international employees with permits, with finding a home. And from Germany, we do that all over the globe.
Awesome. And as I mentioned, we are working, I think, for 3 years now or
Mhm.
something like this. And I remember first time actually I got in touch with you through my friend. But before we jump to it, like I'm very curious. First, why did you decide to build a custom software? Because we are working on this big project together, and like there were already probably some other tools, but still you decided to build your own. So I'm very curious.
Probably the reason is you mentioned it already because we had a in-house developed tool before. And so this tool was developed. If you look at it, you expect it was developed at least 20 years ago. It's not that bad, but it's quite a while ago. And when you have a tool developed to match your needs and you're able to tweak it and work on it on an ongoing basis, when we decided we needed to change for a couple of reasons, we looked at off-the-shelf software solutions. And in the meantime, there's our industry, it's a bit of a niche, has grown, and there's some service providers, there's some software solutions out there. And then you realize it's all of them are a massive compromise compared to what you had and the ability to have it tailor your exact clients, your exact needs. So that relatively quickly led to the conclusion we need to invest, we need to build our own tool again.
Yeah, yeah. I remember I was going to you having the first workshop. Then we think met one more time, and even you came to our office. So that
Yeah.
was a lot of processes actually to really build it and follow your kind of the way and all of the processes that you have internal. So I can imagine there was no one tool that can fit all of the all of your needs. I mean, even we have this every time we use some SaaS, even for like
Mhm.
simple CRM, we already see that okay, our process is slightly different, so we would like to adjust something. So yeah, totally agree with this. And there are tons of custom software companies. So I'm also very curious what made you to actually in the end decide to work with us.
That's also a good question. I think it's a combination of factors. So I think you already mentioned there's a friend. So you came recommended that um, in my experience is a very um, is very important a factor that it's not just you have a good pitch, you have a nice website, etc., but somebody that knows you, that knows the persons behind the company, that has experience with the company, is confirming that you would be a great pick. And of course, we do our own due diligence, but I think that those kind of things really help. In I mentioned we're located in Germany. I think the other factors that played a big role is now not being a German myself, I've granted myself the unlimited permission to make a little bit fun of German culture whenever I get a chance. Um, Joking aside, we've spoken to a number of German companies, and German companies have by default a bit of a different approach. So the focus very much was on um, selling it from what they could do, from their competencies, from their like selling their experience, selling their competency. Where in our exchanges with you guys, you mentioned we've met on site at our place. We met at we came to you guys. We spent some time before also giving it the green light of yes, let's work together. And during those exchanges, there were more questions asked than you would be talking about projects you did in the past or why everyone is super experienced, etc. And I think that's that's a message that's a very strong one, or appealed very much to what we were looking for, that we were conscious about the fact that we had this complex tool. We were trying to fit basically a one-stop platform with all kinds of processes, including accounting, including CRM systems. So we knew it was complex. And because of this legacy tool, we needed someone that would be willing to understand what that did in combination with what we are looking to change and to improve. And that's something you delivered to us also in these early days that helped you stand out. And to conclude, there must be more small factors playing a role besides you and your team being nice guys. That's also helping. But one thing I also clearly remember is there's been always a lot of communication, and that's a different way of saying there's always been transparency on, what are the things that's going to be difficult, what is it likely going to be, but at the same time, what are the different scenarios you might be looking at, because we all agreed it was quite a substantial project. So the transparency about the approach, about what we might run into or might be challenging, about costs, that also gave us a lot of confidence to choose to work with Deltologic.
Yeah, that's super nice to hear. And yeah, also like I can say on the other side that it's not so easy to find a client where you can easily like describe the whole process and why it's so complex. So like how many factors are actually there to build this tool. So like a lot of companies, they come to us, they ask us for the tool, they want just like fixed price right away, and yeah, they don't know, they don't even know what they want, and they are not even willing to pay for like first workshop to design it. So it's actually, a challenge for both sides to be a fit for custom tools. So super happy for that. And yeah, like the last question, Remco, I'm really wondering about the process now. How did you find it? Like your opinion on working with us? Yeah.
What you in the previous question, you refer to the struggles you encounter when dealing with clients, not, you know, wanting a clear price or wanting a clear something, and you can tell, or I think you can tell that they don't even know exactly what it is they're looking for, or and they're looking for ways to kind of hang on to it or put their project in a box. And I also have to admit that there was a big learning curve. We haven't done this project of this magnitude before ourselves. So reflecting, I also can tell that there was a substantial learning curve, and there were things I would have done different on our end if I would have to do it all over again. Um, for example, even spending more time on our end. What is it exactly that's ready when it's ready? And I think um, now being where we are, what is extremely helpful and extremely pleasant on working on an ongoing basis together is actually the same reasons as why we chose to work with you to begin with. So it's the transparency, it's the communication. We have a dedicated, and probably because of the size of our project and because we agreed to do so, we have a dedicated project manager, and that's extremely helpful. So we're dealing primarily with one person that very quickly learned how we think, what it is we do as a business, what are we looking for. And what that brings us is that we can explain in our layman terms what changes we need, or what needs to be built. And he will make sure that that gets converted, that gets translated into developer language, so to say, making sure the developers understand on your end what it is we need to build. And this has been priceless, because I think you otherwise would risk constant miscommunication, not being able to really explain what you mean. You have a clear idea in your head, but how to explain it in words
Yeah.
or even with drawings, it's not that easy. So having that person is very helpful. Also, again, the communication on a business level about, okay, how much time and resources do we need to allocate on an ongoing basis to that is sufficient to achieve the results we're looking for. And those are, for any business, that's not always easy, because of course you have a budget in mind, and then at the same time you have a result in mind, and the communication we've had with the management team of Deltologic, but also with the project team, has always been very transparent. And we were trying to be all realistic. We all I perceive that we all have the same objective, that we come to a project that we can look back at, that the deliverable is doing what we wanted to do, and without let me also an example just comes to mind. But what I don't take for granted is when you're building something from scratch, it's sometimes difficult to put boundaries in, like, because constantly you're seeing new things that you could also implement and could add, that are surely amazing, but you could also find yourself the next 10 years never delivering the tool because you're constantly thinking of new things you can add. And so it's your project manager that frequently will challenge suggestions, say, like, hey, like, if I look at these suggestions, let me explain to you what on the background is the programming involved, which might seem sometimes like a small change, actually equals 4 working days of time on our end, where this would be a change that's 2 hours. So, helping us in making the right decisions, in putting boundaries on making sure we keep the progress, and we spend the money wisely, so to say. And that's also something that's been very helpful. So yeah, I guess anyone hearing this would conclude that we're really, really happy to have a partner like you on our side for this project. And yeah,
Very, very happy to hear that, Remco. And yeah, thanks a lot for recording this with me.